In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to lubricate the Opti Non-Motorised Folding Treadmill. Supplied with your treadmill is a bottle of lubricant. If you have run out of lubricant, we suggest using silicone oil. We recommend lubricating the treadmill when it is not running smoothly and you feel a lot of resistance when using. Gently lift up one side of the treadmill and squirt some lubricant under the running deck. Repeat this process on the other side. Use the treadmill so that the oil can evenly spread. You may need to use more oil until you can see that there is an even amount of oil spread across the inside of the running deck. Your Opti treadmill is now ready to use.